Hello, everybody. I'm Dutch, and I'd like to introduce the Cube backpacking table. It's made by Snowline, and it is an ultralight backpacking table. It works really well with these lower chairs, so you can cook or eat or just preparing food on it. So it comes in a really nice sack, and it weighs only 600 grams in the sack. If you decide not to take the sack, it only comes in about 550 grams for just the table. But on the sack, it has a nice Molly Mac, so you're able to latch this to the outside of your pack. So when you get the table, there is 4 panels out of the tabletop. There is a carbon fiber frame that is really easy to assemble, and then there is a shelf that goes underneath it. So to assemble it, it's all shock boarded, and it very simply snaps together. These also click together, so you can connect them horizontally, or you can see that I can build this vertically. It has a shelf and then there are aluminum tops. So as you see, this is 3 tables that you can build up. It has a 14 by 14 surface area, pretty much big enough to do any cooking or anything. It's made out of aluminum and not plastic, so you don't have to worry about your stove burning through it or anything like that. Thank you, everybody.